Alright guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Today I'm taking a look at the Ikigai, I think that Ikigai, whatever, I don't know how you pronounce it. And it's the Maru diver. I looked at this, well, it was a prototype I looked at. I think it was at the tail end of last year. And the owner and that has reached out to me and he says, they're all done. They've been shipped out to all the customers. Would you like to take a look at a full production? I says, aye, of course. Before I get into it, this video is sponsored by Ikigai Watches. Just to let you know, just a quick disclaimer. So, I rated it very high. I've got to admit, if my memory serves me correctly, I did rate it very high when I reviewed the prototype. So I'll go into the review, give you all the specs, show you what changes have been made, and give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Right, play the intro. Right guys, this isn't just for people that pre-ordered it on Kickstarter last year, because you can actually buy these now. They are available with immediate shipping directly from the Ikigai Watches website. Put a link up. There'll be links and all that in the description, blah blah blah. I'll put a link up on the screen as to where you can go. What I'll do is I've looked at it, but I've no sized it. It's still got all the protective plastic on it, just to give you an idea of what you're going to get when you get the watch. Right, you've got your warranty card in there, and that's like wood, bamboo or something like that, which is nice. It's the same material on the box itself. Straight into the watch. Now, when he contacted me, he says, what colour are you wanting? I was like, fresh mint, all day long, because that was the colour of the prototype that I looked at as well. First impressions, lovely. The first thing I look at is alignment, because if it's no aligned, it's broken. Good news is, alignment on this is very good. Like the colour, it's nice. Nice finishing. I know one change that they've done off the top of my head is they improved the loom. Know that the loom was bad on the prototype. Oh, see all that there, by the way, that's all loomed. Same on that side, as is the logo on the crown. But aye, another thing that they mentioned was they gave the case like a chamfered edge, but they made it polished this time. It was just all brushed on the prototype. That's a nice touch, I like that. And it goes right round the entire perimeter of the case, along the bottom, along the top. Very nice. I believe the tolerances of the bracelet was improved as well. Very nice. They also changed the clasp. They just changed the style, the design. They made it a bit bigger, if I remember. I should actually have watched the video of the prototype. That would have made sense. But I know that's changed the logo and that. It looks nice. What to say? and I should actually take all the plastic off, but I'm not going to bother. That's been refined as well. The case back, focus. That's I mean, that's beautiful. I've got to admit, that's really, really nice. I mean, I didn't get all excited about case backs on most watches because obviously you put the watch on, you never see the thing. But I mean, that's just an added extra. It's really nice. Focus. There. I like it. Quick release pins on the bracelet as well. Aye, very nice. Right, the price of these, if you were to go and buy it right now, I believe it is discounted slightly. Excuse me. Price of these is $430 US. Pretty good. I'm impressed. I would have preferred to have seen $399. You know, just for that psychological. It's under $400. $430 is still a good price. Right, I'll give you the specs, etc. Right, these are all my own measurements and I've done them all. I've not just copied and pasted from the prototype, I've just done it from scratch again. Right, case diameter 40.2 mil, a total thickness of 11.4 mil, like that. Lug to lug 46.7 mil, and it has a 20 mil lug width. Now, I took the weight from the prototype because, as you can see, I've not sized it or anything. And they come in about, if it's sized up for my wrist, which is 6 3/4 inches, by the way, you're looking at pretty much bang on the sweet spot of 150 grams plus change. I think it was 152 or something like that, 153, so round about there. All nice. Right, movement, it's a true no date movement. It's the Miyota 9039. 28,800 vibrations an hour, 24 joules, hackable, self-winding, with a 42-hour power reserve. As I mentioned earlier, they have changed the finishing of the case. It's now got the polished parts right round the edges there that I explained. It's brushed, there's sandblasted parts on there where you've got that loom segment and all that, as you can see. Alright, brushed, sandblasted and the polished 316L stainless steel. The bezel has also been upgraded, I forgot to mention this. It now has a ceramic insert, which is a very nice upgrade to what it was before. I think it was aluminium, or was it coated steel? I can't remember. Anyway, it's an upgrade. 120 click unidirectional, and the insert's also fully loomed. The dial's got applied hour markers, and the hands have been changed slightly. They're now like, what was it they said, rounded off now, but they're still like fence post segmented hands. And as I say, no date. Really clean aesthetic. I really like this colourway. I think it's the best colourway of the options given. Talking of colour options, you have this fresh mint, which is like what some would call it fresh mint green. I don't think it's a green, I think it's maybe a light blue. Definitely, because I don't see green anywhere in that dial. I don't know where they're getting that from. You also get lunar eclipse red, which is Nice. And there's also a deep ocean blue, which is a kind of dark blue. So I would say you've got dark blue, this light blue, and the red. Right, the lume on this, it's a combination, it's like a mixture. Swiss Superluminova, it has C3 and BGW9. I'll put in some form of, I've not done any B-roll. Bugger, I'll need to do some, even just to show you a lume shot. I'll do it after I've recorded this bit. The bracelet, H-link, brushed 316L stainless steel throughout. It has push pins, which is a bit of a disappointment. Solid links throughout, signed milled clasp, as I showed you earlier. I do think at this price point, I mean, I don't have any problems with push pins. You do it once, takes 5 minutes, job done. I just prefer screw links. And I thought this was going to get an upgrade. I thought they might have upgraded to screw pins. But as I say, I don't have a problem with it. It's nice and secure. Really good build quality. Absolutely, there's no wiggle or, you know what I mean? It's nice and solid. So, where is it? Crystal flat sapphire with a multitude of inner AR coatings. You can see there, I mean, it does a fantastic job. I'm not sure how many layers of AR coating there is on there, but there's enough, that's for sure. Oh, that was another upgrade that I forgot to mention. And I remember this distinctively. I had the prototype of this colour, and I remember saying, on the prototype, the logo was just white, and it just kind of disappeared on the dial. You couldn't really make it out. But now they put the black border all the way around their logo, and it makes a huge difference. You can actually see it properly now. Right. Right, case back solid, screw down with the etched artwork, and that's been improved as well. The crown, I'll show you, is 6.8mm. It's screw down, it's signed, and it's loomed. Lovely. I've done the colourways, where to buy, directly from Ikigai Watches. One other improvement that I think they could make for their next model is their warranty. With this, you get 1 year's warranty. I think it should be 2. All in all, it's a great watch. It really is. And I do recommend it. I'd also give it the Gold Award. They really have made really nice improvements, and I don't think I've missed any out over the prototype. Really nice watch. Right, what I'll do is I'll zoom back out. That'll do. Oh, quick wrist check. I'm wearing the brand spanking new San Martin GMT with the white desert textured dial. Friggin' gorgeous, by the way, but I'm not here to talk about that. Give me a sec. I'll take the San Martin off. That just arrived this morning, by the way. As soon as it arrived, I was like, get that on the wrist. Right, I'll give you, oh, it's no sized, I forgot. But I can show you. I mean, it wears fine. I mean, better than fine. conforms to the wrist perfectly. Nice lug to lug size. Really, really nice. No issues. None whatsoever. Right guys, just a quick video just to let you see the upgrades and to let you know where you can buy it, as you can buy this right now if you missed out or never pre-ordered on Kickstarter or whatever. Really good job. What's his blimmin' name again? Oscar or something. I think so. Well done, mate. Right, that's it. Please like, share, subscribe, the usual drivel that I say at the end of a video. And I'll see you in the next video then. Toodles!